Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for 6th class, chapter 3, playing with numbers, and in this video we are going to discuss factorization and prime factorization. Let us discuss what is meant by factorization. First, let me take one example. Children, I gave a number 36 and I asked you to express this number 36. How this number can be expressed. Okay, so you can express this number 36 means you can express like 1 into 36 is 36, right? Next, 2 into 18 you got 36, right? Next, 3 into 12 you'll get 36. Okay. Next, 4 nines 36. Next, 6 6 are 36. Right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay. These are the numbers. 6 I have got 2 times. So, I have written only one. I have taken here once. Okay. So, I can express this number 36 as a product of two numbers. Okay. Product of two numbers. These numbers are called as factors. Okay, whenever you are expressing the number as a product of two numbers or product of three numbers, then you can say that these numbers are called as factors, and the expression, the method of expressing in this way means the method of expressing this 36 as, suppose I am taking only 1 into 36. Suppose I am expressing that this 36 as 1 into 36. The process of expressing this 36 in this procedure means in the form of factors, then its process is called as factorization. Okay, so I can give the statement as when a number means, suppose I am taking 36. Okay, is expressed as means I am giving equal to. Okay, is expressed as a product of its factors. I am writing 2 into 18 means it is a product of factors, right? So for the clear explanation of the term factors, you just follow the link in the description. Okay, so whenever you are expressing the number, factors means it should be exactly divisible. Okay, this 36 should be exactly divisible by 2, then only this 2 will be a factor of this 36. Okay, so when it is expressed as product of its factors, then that procedure is called as factorization. Okay, simple. If you are expressing a number as a product of its factors, then that procedure is called, this procedure, the complete procedure is called as factorization. Means just finding the factors. The procedure which we are using to find out the factors of a number is called as factorization. Clear? Let us discuss some examples. 24. We should find out the factors of 24. Okay, so here now I'm not giving the methods of factorization, that we'll discuss in another video. Just we are going to discuss how to find out the factors in a simple way. Okay, so 1 into 24 you can write as 24, and this 24 can be expressed as 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, right? So I can write the factors of 24 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, because whatever numbers are exactly divisible, okay, that numbers are called as factors. All these are factors of 24. Means 1, it is exactly divisible by 24. 2, 3, okay, means it is giving the remainder 0. Okay, so these, in this way you are going to find out the factors. Okay, next we'll take one more example. Here is your another example, 42. So I can express this 42 as 1 into 42, 2 into 21, 3 into 14, 6 into 7. Okay, means I can say this 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42 are the factors of 42. Here just I am giving a simple way of finding the factors. Okay. The next topic is prime factorization. So here if you see the word prime factorization, factorization means we know that the process of finding the factors. Okay, it is a process of finding the factor. So simple. See here, suppose I am telling examination. Okay, what is examination? If we are going to write some exam, that is called as examination. Okay, means here the thing which is happening is exam. Okay, if we are conducting, if we are taking an exam, then that is called as examination. Here also factorization means if you are going to find out the factors by using some process, then that is called factorization. Okay, in the factorization we have some methods. Among them one is prime factorization. Okay, here the name is prime. Prime means we know the prime numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? The numbers, so the numbers which have only two factors. Okay, which have only two factors, or we can say which are divisible, the number which is divisible by only one and itself. Okay, it is divisible by only one and itself. The two factors are one is a common factor for each and every number. Itself means the number itself will go in its own table, right? So the prime numbers means numbers which have only two factors, and factorization means process of finding the factors. Okay, so if you are finding the factors of a number and that factors, if they are prime numbers, then that factorization is prime factorization. Okay, I can give the statement as if all the factors, not one factor, if all the factors of a number, means suppose I am taking any number 36 or anything, if I am finding the factors of this number, then that factors should be prime numbers, only the prime numbers, then that procedure is called as prime factorization. Okay, whenever you are finding the factors of a number, then if that factors are prime numbers, then that procedure is called as prime factorization. Okay, so here just now we have find the factors of 36. Okay, but there we find some composite numbers, some prime numbers, but it is not the way to find out the factors which is called as prime factorization. Okay, the prime factorization method is different. Okay, so let us go to the prime factorization method and see how we find the factors in that way. Okay, so let me take some examples. The first one is 48. Okay, so till now we have written the factors in this way, right? 1 into 48. Okay, next 2 into 24. In this way we have written. Okay, but this is not called as prime factorization, because in prime factorization all the factors should be prime numbers, but here it is not the prime number, right? So if you again, after writing the numbers, the factors, if you multiply all the factors, if you got some factors, if you multiply all the factors, again the answer should be this 48 only. Okay, so this procedure, product of prime numbers. Okay, the factorization which involves the product of all prime numbers, then that procedure is called as prime factorization. Okay, so let us take this 48. Okay, this is the method which should remember, and I am telling you the for this prime factorization you should be perfect with the divisibility rules. If you are perfect with the divisibility rules, then it is very easy process. Okay, the main thing you should know the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you are perfect till 11, it is enough. Okay, so let me take this number 48. Okay, so here if you observe carefully, the last means the units digit is 8 here. Okay, if the units digit is 8, it is divisible by 2, right? Because the units digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Okay, if the units digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, then the number is exactly divisible by 2. That is our divisibility rule of 2, right? Okay, so I can take here 2. If you divide this 48 by 2, see 4. Let us take each and every digit. 4 means 2 2's 4. Okay, finished. We didn't get any remainder here. Next is 8. 8 means 2 4's 8. Finished. Okay, now let us take the next step. 24. Again the units digit is 4, right? It is divisible by 2. So I can take 2. Okay, now here 2. 2 means 2 1's 2 and 2 2's 4. Okay, see here 2 24. Okay, whatever you are writing here, whatever you are writing in the quotients place, that should be written here. Okay, some of you are writing the remainder here. You will be writing the remainder here, but it is wrong. You should write the quotients place. This is the quotient. Okay, whenever you got a reminder, some reminder, that you should carry like this. Okay, in a rough part, you should carry and do the quotient again. Okay, so here 2 ones 2 and 2 twos 4, so I'll get 12. Okay, again the units digit is 2, so I can take 2 again, so 2 6 12. Okay, now again it is 6, only the single digit 6, it is divisible by 2, so 2 3 is 6. Now 3 you will get 3 ones 3. Okay, so here I have taken till 1. Until the quotient is 1, you should repeat the procedure. Okay, so you should find the factors of this 48 in terms of prime numbers. See, if you see properly, all these are prime numbers, right? 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. Okay, so the factors of 48, if all the factors are prime numbers, then this procedure is called as prime factorization. Okay, you should continue this method until you will get the quotient as 1. Okay, now I can write it as, now prime factorization means we should write the factors as the product, right? So I'll write as a product. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, here 4 2's are there, so write 4 2's, and here 1 3 is there, so 1 3. Okay, now if you multiply all these numbers, you'll get 48 again. So let us check here, 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 2's 16, 16 3's are 48. Got it? So what is prime factorization means? The method of finding the factors of a number as a product of prime numbers. Okay, it is a process of finding the factors of a number as the product of prime numbers. Okay, all the factors should be a product, all the factors should be prime numbers, and if you multiply that prime numbers, you should get this number. Okay, so let us take one more example. Let us go to this next one, 36. So let us find out the prime factorization of 36. So here if you find the last digit is 6. Okay, always start from the least number. Okay, least prime number, and think one, remember one thing, the every factor you are taking here, it should be a prime number, then only this process is called as prime factorization. Okay, so start from 2. If it is not divisible by 2, check with 3. Next 5, not with 4, because 4 is not a prime number. 4 again we can write as 2 into 2, right? So start from 2 only. If you take 2 here, there is no need of taking 4 here, because 4 you should not take here. In the multiplication at last, if you are writing the product like this, 2 into 2 into 3, it is 4 only, right? But you should not take 4 here. You should take only 2. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, you should take that numbers because they are the prime numbers. Okay, so here my units digit is 6, so I can start with 2. So 2 18 6 36. Okay, now again the units digit is 8, so it is also divisible by 2, so 2 9's 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, then I should check with 3. So 3 3's 9. Again 3 1's is 3. So here I continued the procedure of this prime factorization till I get 1 as a quotient, right? So I can express this 36 as product of the prime numbers. Okay, product of prime numbers which are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2's 4, 4 3's 2, 12, 12 3's 36. Okay, if you are unable to do one by one, you can just do like this. 2 2's 4. Okay, I got 4. Next 3 3's 9. 9. Okay, so 4 9's 36. Okay, I can do in this way also. 4 9's 36. But don't do in this way. 36 means 4 9's are 36. You should not write in this way. 9 1's 9. You should not write in this way because these are not the prime numbers. But the factorization method should be with prime numbers only. But these are not prime numbers. Okay, so take prime numbers and then do and multiply, which should give you the given number as your answer. Okay, I hope you understood this video. I'll tell you the prime factorization method in another video also. For the introduction part, what is factorization, what is prime factorization, I have discussed in shortcut in this video. So please follow my videos which are given in the description. Okay, I hope you understood. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.